Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Here I'll show you how to get all the text in one cell. You can see this is a full line and how to bring it back into one cell in Excel, or I would say how to wrap text in Excel. So here 2 to 3 ways I will say you how to do that easily. So the first thing is, for example, I write something here. When you write on a cell, it flows into other adjacent columns in Excel. So, for example, how to cell, as you can see, it just flows to the other columns in Excel. This is quite natural, but the thing is, when I write something in this column, how to, you can see this cell text or matter has been overlapped by this cell. So the rightmost cell would always take precedence, and it will hide the left cells. So how to bring all the text in vertical manner, or within the space of the cell? How to bring that into a definite or a fixed width of a cell, all the text into this fixed width of this cell. So how to do that? There are 2 to 3 ways. First of all, I would like to say the traditional way that how we do. You can simply click here, and I am in the home ribbon. In the home ribbon, you can see there is one alignment tab, and in alignment tab, simply go and click on wrap text. You can see it is already shown how things will come up. Wrap extra long text into multiple lines, so you can see all of it. So wrap text, you can see this has been wrapped into one single cell. So I'll simply undo it. Another way is a little bit long. You can traditionally go to this, right click here, go to format cells, and in format cells go to alignment and wrap text. This is the, I would say, most old and longest way, which I don't advise you to do it. And the best way is, as I have written here, press and hold alt key. Just press and hold alt key, then press H and then press W. Okay, alt H. You can see all the letters will be coming up here. Finally, you have to simply, it is just showing that which letters you have to press to activate that function. So if I press W, this wrap text will be activated. So simply press on W. So this is also one of the tips, but you have to do it as I say. If you press alt H W simultaneously, then the Excel file will simply get closed. So this you should not do. Do it in the way I say, alt H W, right? And then it is wrapped. One of the tricks that I found very useful, that if you don't want to wrap the text after you have written the text, or if you want to wrap the text while you're writing the text, then what you can do is, for example, if I write again here, how to wrap, I found that this word, and after this word I just want the line to come down to Excel. You cannot simply press enter. If I press enter, it will come, the cell will come down, not the text. So what I'll do is here, while I am writing, I'll simply press alt enter. Sorry, yeah, alt enter. How to wrap text, I go to 5. You don't have to press again alt enter, it will simply take the wrap text size. So I think this is very helpful while you are already writing your text, instead of doing it after you have written the whole text in Excel file. So friends, I said you like 4 ways to wrap text or to fix your text with size in Excel. 2 very traditional ways, by mouse and 2 with the help of keyboard. So please tell me which one you liked, which one you use it, or you would rather use it in future, which you think will be quite helpful in your work. Please comment in the comment box. So that's it. I hope you learned something very useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please do subscribe to this channel to get more of such technical tips to make your digital life easier and simpler. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.